Hey guys, I wanted to give you a demo of the IdeasX Workstation Client where it currently stands at. So just as a reminder, the Workstation Client is basically the interface that therapists are going to use to set up any IdeasX encoder or switch. And you can use it to basically pair any encoder or switch with another device, or you can use it to actually set up the keystrokes that you want this thing to send when it's activated. And it lists all the devices and cool stuff like their battery and their signal strength and all kinds of junk. So it's the Workstation Client is currently separated into 3 different tabs. It lists all the encoders, the actuators, and the settings. So let me right up front just to prove to you guys that this is live data. You have this little signal strength thing here. If I cover it with my hand, you'll see the signal strength drop, hopefully. Just like that. In addition, it gives you live battery information. There's this cool little symbol here that I'll get into in a second. It shows the module ID number, which will also be a student's name if you say it to be. So for example, this could be Sally or Sarah or Tyler. An activate button that tells it to stream the data to this computer and actually send the keystrokes. And then you have miscellaneous settings such as update firmware, restart, shutdown. You also have a last update here to let you know when was the last time that this device was seen by the IdeasX system. So in addition to coders, you have actuators, and then you have general settings here. So just to further prove that this is not nonsense, let me plug in a couple more devices. So all the devices I'm about to plug in, unfortunately, do not have a battery. So when they come into the system, the battery's going to be red. Let me plug in another one. So it's that simple. Basically, the way that it'll work is as soon as they come into a school, they're automatically going to pop up in this list. No pairings required. It's all automatic. So let me get into this little stoplight symbol. So the idea for this is, if you've ever seen the IdeasX module, well, you can kind of tell from this picture right here, there's 2 jacks for inputs, for buttons. That's what 1 and 2 stands for. And the A stands for adaptive switching, which is basically switching based on motion. So the way that we're going to set this up to configure it, let's say you want jack 1 to send the keystroke A. You would click on the jack 1 for that device, and we're going to have a dialog like this guy. Like this guy pop up if you click this one. And the idea is you could go, okay, I want this to be sent. And then you'll enable it. That'll turn it from red to green, this number 1, and then you can close out of this. And then whenever someone activates the button attached to the input jack 1, it'll send the keystroke A. After you activate this device, of course. So this is like all this stuff will be retained across the system. So if you are logged into another computer, whatever settings that you save here will update on that computer. Awesome. So this is how it works right now. I would love for you guys to give me any type of feedback or any ways you think I can make it better. I know it's a little bit difficult to understand without having a video of me doing everything in the background. That'll be up soon, hopefully. And that's it. Thanks, guys.